Good morning, children. Welcome to science class. Today we are going to learn about blood, circulation of blood, means the process of circulation of blood in our body, heartbeat and pulse, healthy and strong heart. How to keep our heart healthy and strong. Blood. Blood is a red colored fluid flowing inside blood vessels. It consists of a liquid part called plasma and the blood cells. Plasma. Plasma, it is the fluid part of the blood that carries nutrients and waste products. Blood cells. They are of three types: RBCs, WBCs, and platelets. RBCs, red blood cells. WBCs, white blood cells, platelets. RBCs. They are red due to the presence of red colored pigment called hemoglobin. Hemoglobin is the carrier of oxygen. WBC. WBCs, they are white colored blood cells. They play an important role in fighting infections and destroy germs. Platelets. They help in clotting of blood whenever there is an injury. Thus, they prevent loss of blood from our body, from the body. Next, we will study regarding functions of blood. Blood transports oxygen from the lungs to the rest of the body and carbon dioxide from the tissues to lungs. It brings back the carbon dioxide to the lungs, whereas it takes the oxygen from the lungs, filtered oxygen, pure air from lungs, and transport to the other parts of our body. It supplies important nutrients to all the cells in the body. Hence, it helps, blood will be flowing throughout our body. It carries oxygen and nutrients which is utilized by all cells in our body. Like that, it is supplies important nutrients to all the cells in the body. It transports waste to the excretory organ for removal from the body. It maintains body temperature. Blood is very helpful in maintaining temperature of our body. WBCs protect our bodies. WBCs means white blood cells. Protect our body from infections and germs. Platelets help in blood clotting.